The field of regenerative medicine and tissue engineering aims to apply principle of engineering and biological science to generate strategies to repair, replace, or regenerate damaged or diseased cells and tissue. In the natural environments of cells and tissue, they are surrounded by various nanoscale structures. Those structures are not only play a supportive role, but research have found that they actually provide signals to guide the cells to growth and to function. So our lab aims to develop different types of nanofabrications materials to mimic those natural nanostructure materials to provide a guidance to guide cell growth and also to form a functional tissue. For example, we have been developing off-the-shelf available synthetic biomaterial vascular graft. Off-the-shelf vascular graft is a life-saving device. Unfortunately, currently available synthetic vascular graft has a lot of problems and they tend to fail within a relatively short period of time. We are trying to develop strategies to overcome those problems and to develop off-the-shelf available vascular graft that will have a long-term function. In our next few years, we will focus on translating our research, including the preclinical study of the vascular graft and also optimizing some of the design and further study and develop our cornea devices. The University of Waterloo has been providing a very interdisciplinary environment. I have the opportunity to interact with different types of engineers and as well as different types of scientists. And we also have been working closely with the School of Optometry, and that is very helpful for developing our cornea devices.